This video is sponsored by Tots and Moms and they are going to give us amazing gift hampers. The details regarding the giveaway is there in the end of the video, so just watch the video till then and win the gifts. So welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see 2 porridge mixes for 6 months plus babies. One is rice based and the other one is made up of oats. Now let us move on and do the rice dal mix. Take half a cup of parboiled rice. To this add a quarter cup of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal. First let us clean this with water. We need to remove the excess water, so we are going to spread this on a clean cloth. Take a clean towel or a cloth and spread the rice dal mixture. Let this dry under the fan for an hour. This has become dry, let us take it out. The next step is dry roasting, so transfer this into a pan. Roast this in medium flame. This has got roasted, you can see the change in color. Allow it to cool down and transfer it into a mixie jar. Now let us powder this. It should not be a fine powder, you have to make it little coarse. The powder should be neither very fine nor too coarse. For the next mix, we need a quarter cup of semolina, that is rava or suji, quarter cup of oats and 1 cardamom. Now we are going to grind this coarsely, so just pulse it, don't grind it. Pulse for a few seconds and you can switch it off. Oats is rich in fiber and it also has protein. Due to its rich fiber content, it helps in avoiding constipation problems. So here is our oats powder and this is rice pigeon peas powder. Pigeon peas is also rich in protein. Now let us prepare porridge out of this. Take 4 teaspoons of rice pigeon peas powder. For this we are going to add 1.5 cups of water. In order to avoid lumps, we are going to add a little water in the beginning, mix it well and then add the rest of the water. Once you have mixed this well, keep it on the stove and start stirring. You have to stir this continuously. Once this starts boiling, it will get thick soon. So the final consistency of the porridge has to be like this. Now let us move on and do our oats porridge. Take 2 teaspoons of oats semolina powder. For 2 teaspoons, I am going to add a cup of water. The same here, you have to add a little water in the beginning, mix it well and then add the rest of the water. After mixing this well, keep it on the stove and start stirring. And this has to be your final consistency. And both the porridges will become even more thick once it cools down. You can store this in an airtight container for months. This can be stored for more than 3 months, but try to do it in small portions and finish it off within a month. These porridges is for 6 months plus babies. Once your baby is 10 months old, it needs much more nutrients. You can add nuts powder, dry fruits powder and dry dates powder into these porridges. Now take the oats porridge. You can enhance the taste and nutrients of this porridge with the dry dates powder. So I am going to add half a teaspoon of dry dates powder into this. Dry dates powder is rich in iron and very good for brain development. Next we are going to use Tots and Moms dry fruits powder and nuts and seeds powder. Their dry fruits powder has almonds, pistas, cashew nuts, nutmeg, turmeric and saffron. Their nuts and seeds powder has watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, fox nuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews and pistas. I am going to add half a teaspoon of nuts and seeds powder into one bowl and dry fruits powder into the other. If you know to do these powders, it is well and good. Otherwise, you can definitely try Tots and Moms. They have a wide range of instant mixes, cereals and porridge mixes. You can check their website for more products. The link for the website is there in the description box. So this way you can make the regular baby food more nutritious. Now the giveaway announcement. What you have to do is follow Tots and Moms on Instagram. The link is there in the description box. Comment on their recent post. come back to the video and comment participated. Two of them will be selected and one will receive rupees 1000 worth products and the other will receive rupees 500 worth products. Other than this, you can use EVC10 promo code and avail 10% discount on shop.todsandmoms.com. Their products are also available in Amazon, Flipkart and FirstCry. All the links are there in the description box. You can use it. So, hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.